Sobra akong bilib sa'yo. Yung mga ginagawa mo araw-araw, you joke sometimes na, sus, malit na bagay. Thank you. Actually, yung mga yun ang di dapat minamaliit. How you do it, why you do it, every day, it's with the purest of love. Kahit pagoda ka na o inis sa akin. I know there are things you want to do for you. Gusto ko din yun para sa'yo. Andito ako. Kahit simulan ko sa maliliit na bagay. Gaya-gaya ako sa'yo. Because those little things you do, ramdam namin yun as your big acts of love. Kaya, thank you, Mommy. Dahil kung paano ka as a mom, as you, inspires me to be a better dad. Because your love is pure. Your love is absolute.